In this video, let me show you how to fix Landbank iAccess login problem. So if you're having issues logging into your Landbank iAccess platform, the first thing that you need to make sure is that if you have already entered in the password 3 times and if you have entered in it wrong 3 times as well, if that is the case, your account would be frozen immediately. So in this case, you need to self-service your unlock. So you need to head over to the same platform, enter in the user ID, and then you need to enter in the OTP that has been sent to your registered email address. Once you do that, you need to answer in your questions that is asked, and only then your account will be unfrozen. Now, if this is not the case for you, and if you're trying to log in via the online platform or through the mobile app as well, you can try to clear out the mobile cache or the browser cache. If you're using it on the browser, head over to the three-dotted line, head over to delete browsing data, and from here make sure you simply tap on the delete data option. If you're doing it on the mobile application, make sure you reinstall the application on your device. So that's pretty much all there is to it. If this video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe. I'm going to see you in the next one.